If you truly love crochet, this living room feels like a dream come to life. Every sofa cover, every cushion, every tiny detail is carefully handmade with love. The soft blend of blush pink and light blue creates a calm, romantic vintage mood. With floral backgrounds and warm lighting, this space is not just a room, it's a feeling of comfort, warmth, and creativity. This design is perfect for those who love simplicity with a touch of crochet. Clean interiors are enhanced with soft crochet accents like throws and cushions. Blush pink and light blue tones blend beautifully into a modern setting. It's a reminder that crochet isn't just traditional, it can be modern and elegant too. If you love boho vibes, this crochet living room is pure inspiration. Layered textures, tassels, and handmade patterns fill every corner with warmth. Soft pastel tones combined with plants and wall hangings create a relaxed, artistic feel. This space reflects freedom, creativity, and the beauty of handmade design. Crochet can be luxurious, and this living room proves it. Fine detailing, lace finishes, and perfectly crafted patterns give it a high-end look. Blush pink and light blue tones bring softness and elegance together. This is more than decor. It's a statement of craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Even a small space can feel warm and beautiful with crochet. Every piece, from sofa covers to cushions and baskets, is thoughtfully handmade. Soft pastel colors make the room feel open, calm, and inviting. It shows that comfort isn't about size, it's about the feeling you create. When sunlight filters through crochet, it creates something magical. These delicate crochet curtains softly diffuse natural light into the room. Blush pink and light blue tones make the space feel airy and peaceful. It's the perfect corner to relax, unwind, and enjoy quiet moments. This living room is a perfect expression of softness and elegance. Ruffled crochet textures, floral patterns, and pastel tones create a delicate aesthetic. Every detail reflects patience, care, and love for handmade art. It's not just styled, it's beautifully felt. This design takes you back to a time when everything was made by hand. Crochet doilies, sofa covers, and antique furniture create a nostalgic atmosphere. Soft lighting and floral elements add depth and warmth to the space. It's not just a room, it's a story woven with time and tradition. This classic granny square design brings timeless crochet beauty into a modern color palette. Blush pink and light blue squares come together in perfect harmony. Each piece is carefully stitched, forming a pattern that feels both nostalgic and fresh. It's a beautiful reminder of how traditional crochet can still feel new and inspiring. This floral mandala design is all about detail and symmetry. Soft petals in blush pink bloom from the center, surrounded by delicate light blue lace. Every stitch adds depth and elegance to the pattern. It feels like a piece of art, carefully handcrafted with patience and love. Clean, structured, and beautifully balanced. This checkerboard crochet design feels modern and fresh. The contrast of blush pink and light blue creates a soft yet defined pattern. Each block is simple on its own, but together they form something visually striking. It's minimal, but never boring. This lace pattern is inspired by nature's elegance. Delicate vines and soft leaves flow gently across a light mesh background. Blush pink details add warmth, while light blue keeps it airy and calm. It feels soft, graceful, and beautifully organic. This spiral crochet design draws your eyes in with its smooth, continuous flow. Blush pink and light blue blend seamlessly as the pattern expands outward. There are no harsh edges, just a calming circular rhythm. It's simple, yet deeply mesmerizing. This diamond mesh pattern brings a touch of elegance and geometry together. Open spaces and soft textures create a light, breathable design. Blush pink details stand out gently against the light blue base. It's refined, delicate, and effortlessly beautiful. Tiny crochet flowers come together to create a soft, blooming texture. Each blush pink flower stands out against a calming light blue background. The layered stitches give it a gentle, three-dimensional feel. It's playful, delicate, and full of charm. This ruffled crochet design is all about movement and texture. Layer upon layer of soft yarn creates a flowing, almost fabric-like effect. Blush pink and light blue alternate beautifully through each wave. It feels soft, dreamy, and full of life. Smooth waves flow gently across this crochet design, creating a calming rhythm. The soft transition between blush pink and light blue feels natural and soothing. Each curve adds movement and softness to the piece. It's peaceful, balanced, and visually relaxing. This hexagon crochet design builds beauty piece by piece. Each small motif connects to form a larger, harmonious pattern. Blush pink and light blue combine to create a soft patchwork effect. It's detailed, structured, and deeply satisfying to look at. Soft star shapes gently appear across this crochet design. Blush pink stars rest on a calming light blue background. The subtle raised texture adds depth without overpowering the softness. It feels dreamy, gentle, and perfect for cozy spaces. Sometimes, it's the edges that make everything special. This lace border design adds a delicate finishing touch to a simple base. Soft loops, scallops, and fine details create an elegant frame. It's subtle, refined, and beautifully crafted. Up close, you can truly see the beauty of handmade crochet. Every stitch, every loop tells a story of patience and care. The soft blush pink and light blue tones feel calm and comforting. It's not just a cushion, it's craftsmanship you can feel. This crochet table runner brings elegance to even the smallest details. The fine lacework and soft color tones create a delicate visual flow. Up close, the precision of each stitch becomes even more beautiful. It quietly transforms the entire space. This crochet wall hanging feels like art made from yarn. The textures, tassels, and patterns come together in perfect harmony. Each detail adds depth and personality to the design. It's simple, yet full of character. Strong, structured, yet beautifully soft. This crochet basket is both functional and aesthetic. The thick yarn and tight stitches give it durability and charm. Blush pink and light blue make it feel warm and inviting. It's everyday use, elevated with handmade beauty. This crochet bedspread feels soft, detailed, and comforting. Up close, the intricate patterns and textures become even more mesmerizing. The pastel tones create a peaceful and relaxing mood. It's designed for both beauty and comfort. Light gently passes through these crochet curtains, creating a soft glow. The delicate lace patterns add elegance without feeling heavy. Blush pink and light blue enhance the airy atmosphere. It feels light, fresh, and beautifully calm. This crochet doily is all about detail and symmetry. Every stitch is carefully placed to form a delicate floral design. The soft pastel tones make it feel timeless and elegant. It's a small piece with a big impact. This crochet poof combines comfort with texture. The thick yarn and tight stitches create a strong yet cozy form. Blush pink and light blue give it a soft, inviting look. It's practical, but still beautifully designed. Even the smallest details can make a big difference. These crochet tassels add movement and softness to the design. Each thread flows naturally, creating a gentle, elegant finish. It's delicate, simple, and beautifully handmade.